Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Finally, I got my hands on this beauty. iPhone 12 has finally arrived to Kuwait, where I reside. So this is the model 128 gigabytes black model iPhone 12. So I'm pretty excited to show you what's inside this little box. As you can see, it's very thin. So let's get into it. So this is the box. Let's open it. Wow. So here we have black iPhone 12, 128 gigabytes. Let's lift it and see. Okay, so instead of the transparent foil, we have a black paper stuck to the main display. Looks really amazing. It's so clean and so elegant. In the box, like Apple promised, we have the charger, which is standard, but on one side we have this lightning cable. Let me remove this. So we have on one side we have lightning cable, on the other side we have the USB-C, which is cool if you have the newer iPad Pros and Macs. So this is the charger. We have, and that's it, we have this little thingy, a needle to eject the SIM card. We have Apple sticker and even one sticker. Usually we used to have more than one. Anyway, they are saving money anywhere they can, and that's pretty much it. So there is nothing inside. We don't have the charger. We're saving the environment, and we don't have the AirPods or headphones. So now we have to buy the MagSafe, but anyway, the phone is a beauty, true beauty, black one, pretty awesome. And in the next video, I'm gonna do a quick review on the phone itself, and that's it. It has a really nice finish. The glass is all around on the back, and also on the front we have these crystals, which make the phone 4 times more durable than the previous models. We'll see how it's gonna work in practice. Probably there will be some, drop tests in the future. But anyway, so this is the phone, this is the content of the box, and that's it. See you in the next one.